Welcome to our terrace.
Arnav and me love entertaining, so we've created that perfect setting right here on our terrace with a little help from the design crew at West Elm.
We wanted a neutral canvas so the space is versatile and can work for all occasions. I chose this L-shaped sofa from West Elm for many reasons, but mainly because it's moisture-proof and that's just what I need for Mumbai's weather. Accents are important to bring a space to life. I love the pop of color and character the cushions and throws provide. They really brighten things up, and they happen to be weather resistant too. You all know how much I love having plants around me. I choose low maintenance in everything I do. So I took this natural looking faux plant and nestled it in my favorite planter. This rug is my favorite piece. The print is bold without being too overwhelming. It's also reversible and weatherproof. Plus, it helps the coffee table pop. Now onto the vases. Don't they look so pretty? I change the flowers depending on my mood and my setup. The ottoman, like the sofa, has a removable cushion too. I love its minimalistic lines. Now for the mood lighting. These lanterns add some magic to the space as the sun sets into the evening. Arnav and I often end our day out here. It's not just a place to entertain, but a place to pause and just be.